what you will do with a drapery like this that smells so bad. Take a look at this shiny silk drapery. Beautiful. Shipped to me from Texas. Hello. So, Mrs. Schmidt from Texas sent me this draperies to be clean. Simple and clear. Upon delivery, Mrs. Schmidt from Texas can take the drapery, the bottom, put it in her nose, nothing. No deodorized, no chemical smell, and no chemicals and no urine odor, guarantee in writing. This is my reputation, and this is what I do for many years. Can I remove the stain? Probably yes. In most cases, I succeed to remove the stain. I will show you the drapery tomorrow when I finish the job. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello. Yesterday I show you before. It's this panel and the other panel with the stain in the bottom. Today I can tell you no odor, no stain, shiny and silky, beautiful piece of red maroon drapery, no odor. I eliminate, I remove the dog pee-pee completely. And I'm very happy. I'm sure Mrs. Schmidt from Texas, when she will receive it, she will be amazed. I can take the draperies. Nothing. And I will ask you upon delivery, please do that. Take the drapery, put it in your nose, you smell fiber. No deodorize, no enzyme. That's it. PetPeePee. A cleaning process that makes sense. Thank you, and you have a good and safe coronaviruses. What can we do? You have a good day. Thank you.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.